I don't mean to offend you, but allow me to tell you why you're insignificant. Time is old. Time is really, really old. Time, to be specific, has been alive and ticking for 13.8 billion years. It's tough to get an accurate perception of something like the age of the universe. Humans are bad with big numbers. I don't mean in a mathematical sense, we're pretty good at that, but rather we're poor at judging scale and perspective. Have you considered, for example, that there's a 31-year difference between a million and a billion seconds? By the power of factors, a million seconds, being less than a fortnight, that's 2 weeks for those who don't know, may as well be discarded. The best scientific research currently estimates that the universe is 13.8 billion years old. But that number's so big it doesn't really mean anything to most of us. To put it into perspective, Carl Sagan, an American astronomer, cosmologist and astrophysicist, introduced the cosmic calendar and collapsed the entire history of the universe into just a single year. By employing this calendar metaphor, the human mind is able to approach unhuman timescales in a human format. In his book, The Dragons of Eden, and his TV series Cosmos, Carl Sagan popularized a method to visualize the chronology of the universe. It's simple. Take its current age, 13.8 billion years, and scale it down to a single year, the cosmic calendar, where midnight on the 1st of January marks the start of time, the Big Bang, and the end of the 31st of December is right now, this very moment. The cosmic year is one to remember. Here are a few highlights from it. January 1st, 14 seconds past midnight, hydrogen starts to form. It's cool enough now for electrons to combine with protons. Previously, the universe had been a hot plasma of photons, electrons and baryons. January 10th, the first stars ignite. For over 300 million years, the universe had been dark. January 13th, small galaxies first appear. March 15th, our galaxy, the Milky Way, first appears. End of August, start of September, our sun, the Earth, and the rest of our solar system is formed. September 21st, first life, single-cell organisms first appear. December 5th, multi-cell organisms, almost 3 billion years after single-cell organisms have formed. December 14th, small animals appear. December 20th, land plants appear. December 25th, welcome the dinosaurs, Merry Christmas. December 26th, mammals emerge. December 27th, birds. December 28th, flowers. December 30th, dinosaurs die. That didn't last long. 8 minutes ago, humans appear. 14 seconds ago, modern civilization. Every person you've ever heard of from here on out. 5 seconds ago, Prophet Jesus. 4 seconds ago, Prophet Muhammad in the last second. Modern science and technology, the American Revolution, the French Revolution, World War I, World War II, the Apollo moon landing, and Donald Trump becomes president. Your life, if you're lucky enough to live to the age of 109, is a blink of an eye, a quarter of a second. You are insignificant in the grand scheme of the cosmos. But don't let that get you down. You're also extremely fortunate to have this fleeting moment in the sun. The average ejaculate has 250 million sperm cells, and you made it, buddy. Best make the best of your day. Carl Sagan's cosmic calendar did not only help us understand the age of the universe in an easier way, but it also helped us understand what is meant by two groups of verses in the Holy Quran, addressing the same topic, but written in a different way. The first group of verses says, "It is He, God, who created the heavens and earth in 6 days." And the other group of verses says, "It is He who created the heavens and the earth and what is between them in 6 days." This is the Quranic cosmic calendar revealed over 1400 years ago. And let me explain why I believe the Holy Quran introduced the cosmic calendar approach first, before Carl Sagan. The answer is simple. It's because there is a great similarity between the Holy Quran's cosmic calendar and Carl Sagan's cosmic calendar. These similarities are as follows. First, by employing this calendar metaphor, the human mind is able to approach unhuman timescales in a human format. That's why Carl Sagan popularized the cosmic calendar in the first place and collapsed the entire history of the universe into just a single year, 365 days. And the Holy Quran introduced the cosmic calendar and collapsed the entire history of the universe into just 6 days. Second, Carl Sagan's cosmic calendar tells us that the Earth was formed in the end of August, which means it was formed in the 8th month out of 12 months, which is precisely at the point when the universe was in 2/3 of its age. Now, similarly, the Holy Quran's cosmic calendar tells us that the Earth was formed in 4 days out of a total of 6 days, being again when the universe was exactly in 2/3 of its age. This is written in chapter 41, from verses 10 until 12. In 4 days he made in the earth what anchors it from high above it, and put barak in it, and equally measured out sustenance of its dwellers for those who ask. Then he directed himself to the heaven while it was smoke. Then verse 12 says, and he completed them 7 heavens within 2 days, and he made in each heaven its affair, and adorned the nearest heaven with lamps. Third, when Carl Sagan first popularized his cosmic calendar in 1996, it spanned 1 year, and there was no Donald Trump at that time. And when I read the cosmic calendar for you now, it also spanned 1 year, but this time it did include Donald Trump becoming president as an example of a recent famous event. And when anyone reads Carl Sagan's cosmic calendar after thousands of years, it will remain the duration of 1 year, and it will include future events that are yet unknown to us now. So here's the kicker. This 1 year cosmic calendar doesn't mean that the universe is going to end in this final second of the year. The scale just continues condensing itself to accommodate the increasing age of the cosmos. How clever Carl Sagan was. Time goes on, but his cosmic calendar scale remains constant at just 1 year. But Sagan is not alone, because the Holy Quran did it first. When you read the Holy Quran, you'll know that the Quran's 6-day cosmic calendar doesn't mean that the universe is going to end in the final second of the 6th day. The scale just continues condensing itself to accommodate the increasing age of the cosmos. When the Holy Quran says it is He, God, who created the heavens and earth in 6 days, and in another verse says it is He who created the heavens and the earth and what is between them in 6 days, it is implying that what is between the heavens and the earth have not yet ended. Every moment there is something created in between the heavens and the earth. So now I say, how clever the Holy Quran is. Time goes on, and still its cosmic calendar scale remains constant at just 6 days.